here's a look at this black toner cartridge replacement right here. This is how it comes packaged. Thought I'd just do a little unboxing on camera. If you guys are thinking about getting it, you can see what it looks like, how it comes packaged. 85A, ce285a. That's what you need. This should work real good for you. Let's get this cracked open. So definitely some good packaging right there. Foam inserts on the side, which is actually more important than you might think. So if these got banged up and tossed around a little bit in transport, that would not work out very well once you install them into your printer. So they each come protected with the foam and then wrapped in a plastic bag. And here's a look at the cartridge. Reminds you again what it's compatible with, ce285a. Just give you the full view of it here. Should be really easy to install for you. Just make sure you remove this pull tab. And then the other one is packaged in the exact same way, in a plastic bag, and its own little foam holders in the bottom of the box. So both cartridges come packaged really well and should be a nice black toner replacement cartridge for you.